gonna be the day, never gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized that the doctor